Hey guys, welcome. It's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys how to not sound boring while playing on stage or when playing on stage, right? So I'm going to show you how to embellish what you play, or how to create simple licks, right, to add to what you're playing on stage. So we are using this song Imela, right? Imela by Nathan Ebasi. Oh kaka, oh yekeruwa. So it's a 1 5 2 4 progression, right? So Imela, oh kaka, oh yekeru. Imela, ezemo, right? Right. So let's start again. So Imela. So now, before you go to saw, right, there's something I want you to play there, right? Like I said, I'm just going to show you how to embellish, how to make it not to sound boring. So Imela, right? Imela. So we're going to our T, right? Because going to your saw and your T work together. They are interchangeable, right? So Imela. Right? You see it. So what I play is Imela. Right? Do so do re mi ti. So I slide from my la ti, right? Imela. You see it. Do so do re mi ti. Right? That's the other part. So you can actually do something like Imela. Yes. Something like this will go. Right? Oh. Right? So do re mi fa la so. Right? Do re mi fa la so. Imela. Right? Oh kaka. Oh yeah. Let's go to the first one. Imela. Sorry. Yes. Right? Yes, more. First one. Right? Oh, kaka. Oh, yekeru. Second one now. So you see how it sounds, right? You can use this la so, re mi fa la so, or re mi fa la so, right? Anyone. Imela. Oh God. Sorry, I have children outside making noise. Sorry, don't mind them actually. I know it's distracting. Sorry. Imela. Right, this. Oh God. That one now. Right? So just try it out. It's very simple, right? Thank you so much.